Hello guys, welcome to today's lesson. Today, we will learn the names of 100 common animal in English. Listen and repeat after me. Let's get started. Cat,
Cat,
dog,
dog,
cow,
cow,
goat,
goat,
rat,
rat,
rabbit,
rabbit,
lion,
lion,
tiger,
tiger,
elephant,
elephant,
deer,
deer,
cheetah,
cheetah,
leopard,
leopard,
crocodile,
crocodile,
dinosaur,
dinosaur,
jaguar,
jaguar,
wolf,
wolf,
frog,
frog,
toad,
toad,
bear,
bear,
chimpanzee,
chimpanzee,
gorilla,
gorilla,
koala,
koala,
monkey,
monkey,
orangutan,
orangutan,
bull,
bull,
buffalo,
buffalo,
donkey,
donkey,
pig,
pig,
panda,
panda,
raccoon,
raccoon,
armadillo,
armadillo,
badger,
badger,
hamster,
hamster,
hedgehog,
hedgehog,
panther,
panther,
wildebeest,
wildebeest,
sheep,
sheep,
bighorn sheep,
bighorn sheep,
moose,
moose,
fox,
fox,
red panda,
red panda,
sloth,
sloth,
camel,
camel,
hare,
hare,
Horse.
Horse.
Pony.
Pony.
Ox.
Ox.
Yak.
Yak.
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus.
Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros.
Hyena.
Hyena.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Zebra. Zebra. Polar bear.
Polar bear.
Loris.
Loris.
Giant antiotter.
Giant antiotter.
Tapir.
Tapir.
Bat.
Bat.
Warthog.
Warthog.
Alpaca.
Alpaca.
Llama.
Llama.
Ocelot.
Ocelot.
Bison.
Bison.
Cougar. Cougar. Puma.
Puma.
Snow leopard.
Snow leopard.
Margay.
Margay.
Mongoose.
Mongoose.
Stoat.
Stoat.
Ocelot.
Ocelot. Okapi. Okapi.
Chameleon.
Chameleon.
Gecko.
Gecko.
Iguana.
Iguana.
Komodo dragon.
Komodo dragon.
Mouse.
Mouse.
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Lynx.
Lynx.
Reindeer.
Reindeer.
Mandrill.
Mandrill.
Opossum.
Opossum.
Porcupine.
Porcupine.
Skunk.
Skunk. Macaw. Macaw.
Guinea pig.
Guinea pig.
Sugar glider.
Sugar glider.
Arctic wolf.
Arctic wolf.
Numbat.
Numbat.
Flying squirrel.
Flying squirrel.
Arctic fox.
Arctic fox.
Beaver.
Beaver.
Meerkat.
Meerkat.
Wolverine.
Wolverine.
Akita.
Akita. Coyote. Coyote.
Musk ox.
Musk ox.
Ibex.
Ibex.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Mole.
Mole.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more fun lessons. See you next time.